Age is just a number. Helen's inspiring fitness journey proves it. In a heartwarming display of dedication and discipline, veteran actor Helen, at the ripe age of 87, celebrated her birthday by doing what she does best, working out. Her story challenges the notion that fitness is exclusive to the young, showcasing how consistency and a positive mindset can transform health at any stage of life. But here's where it gets controversial. Helen's journey is not just about defying age stereotypes, it's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps her mobile, strong, and independent. And this is the part most people miss. It's not about achieving a certain physique, but about the overall well-being and quality of life that regular exercise brings. Let's dive into Helen's simple yet effective Pilates routine, which has helped her regain mobility and strength, and explore how these exercises can benefit anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Helen's Pilates routine, a step-by-step guide. Stand to sit. This seemingly simple exercise is a powerful tool for building leg strength and balance. By repeatedly sitting down and standing up without support, Helen ensures her legs remain strong, enabling her to move independently in her daily life. It's a great reminder that even the most basic movements can be transformative when practiced consistently. Bridging, targeting the core and glutes. This exercise involves lying on the back with bent knees and slowly lifting the hips, then gently lowering them. It strengthens the abdomen, supports the lower back, and improves posture and stability. A simple yet effective way to keep the core engaged and the body balanced. Marching. To keep her legs toned and joints active, Helen performs marching exercises while lying down. Lifting one leg at a time to a table-type position and then lowering it, she builds endurance in the thigh and hip muscles without putting pressure on the knees. A controlled movement that ensures a gentle yet effective workout. Wall push-ups, a safer variation of traditional push-ups. This exercise works the arms, chest, and shoulders, improving upper body strength. By standing near a wall and pushing her chest towards it, Helen strengthens her upper body, which is crucial for daily activities like lifting and carrying. Theraband Front Raise with openings. Holding a resistance band, Helen raises her arms and gently opens them outward before lowering them back. This workout targets the shoulder muscles, enhances mobility, and prevents stiffness, a common issue as we age. A simple yet effective way to keep the shoulders mobile and strong. Helen's fitness journey is a testament to the power of consistency and a positive mindset. It's not about being young, it's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps us healthy, mobile, and independent. As Yasmin, her trainer, says, when we exercise with positivity, patience, and discipline, it can change our lives at any age. What do you think? Is Helen's story an inspiration to you? Do you believe that fitness is a journey that can be embraced at any age? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.